Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and prestige. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious and elegantly crafted living area that blends modern technology with timeless sophistication. The interior showcases premium semi-aniline leather seating, hand-finished wood trims, and ambient LED lighting that creates a first-class atmosphere. The living space features a large OLED display, a 3D surround sound system, and an expansive panoramic window that floods the interior with natural light. The kitchen is fitted with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, built-in espresso machine, and a temperature-controlled wine cabinet. The bedroom features a plush king-size bed with Cadillac's magnetic ride comfort system, while the ensuite bathroom is designed with marble-inspired surfaces, rainfall shower, and luxury fixtures, ensuring a true home-away-from-home experience. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome embodies sophistication and power. Its sculpted, aerodynamic silhouette carries Cadillac's signature design language, complete with vertical LED lighting, a bold chrome-accented grille, and metallic paint that radiates elegance. The large motorized awning extends effortlessly, creating a luxurious outdoor lounge space. The polished alloy wheels, along with the illuminated Cadillac crest, reinforce its premium status. Built on a lightweight yet durable chassis, this motorhome ensures stability without compromising maneuverability. Every exterior detail has been engineered to stand out, making this vehicle a rolling symbol of Cadillac luxury. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is equipped with a next-generation hybrid powertrain, combining a 5.5-liter twin-turbo V8 with advanced electric motors for an impressive 750 horsepower. This setup delivers smooth, quiet performance on the highway while offering remarkable efficiency for its size. Cadillac's magnetic ride control suspension ensures an exceptionally smooth ride across any terrain. The intelligent 10-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, adapting to driving conditions instantly. To complement its power, the Cadillac Motorhome integrates advanced Super Cruise technology, allowing hands-free driving on compatible highways, along with a full suite of driver assist systems to make navigating tight spaces effortless. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a high-end product and comes with a price tag that reflects its luxury status. Starting at around $600,000, it caters to those who demand both performance and refinement. The cost includes Cadillac's bespoke design options, world-class craftsmanship, and advanced hybrid technology. For buyers, this isn't just the purchase of a vehicle, it's the acquisition of a luxury lifestyle on wheels, embodying everything Cadillac stands for. To sum up, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome represents a perfect fusion of elegance, performance, and modern innovation. It delivers an experience that few competitors can match, redefining what luxury travel truly means. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey or seeking the ultimate statement of prestige, the Cadillac Motorhome rises above expectations. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence. First, let's talk about the interior. Brabus is celebrated for its bespoke craftsmanship and attention to detail, and the 2026 Big Boy 1200 Motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're welcomed by an expansive, high-ceiling living space that combines modern elegance with futuristic touches. Premium Napa leather seating, carbon fiber trim, and ambient LED lighting create a unique blend of sportiness and luxury. The entertainment system is second to none, featuring a massive 65-inch 8K smart display, a Brabus-tuned surround sound system, and a panoramic glass wall offering breathtaking views on the move. The chef-inspired kitchen comes with state-of-the-art appliances, an induction cooktop, dual smart refrigerators, a built-in coffee station, and even a climate-controlled wine cellar. The master suite features a king-size memory foam bed with massage functions, while the spa-like bathroom offers rainfall showers and high-end fixtures, turning travel into a 5-star experience. Now, on to the exterior. The 2026 Brabus Big Boy 1200 Motorhome is nothing short of commanding. With an aggressive aerodynamic silhouette, sculpted carbon fiber accents, and an exclusive matte metallic paint finish, it stands out as a statement of raw power. A full-length motorized awning transforms into an outdoor lounge, while massive 24-inch forged Brabus alloy wheels and red-accented details add a performance edge. Built on a reinforced yet lightweight Brabus-engineered chassis, it balances strength, durability, and surprising agility. Every inch of the exterior reflects Brabus DNA, bold, muscular, and impossible to ignore. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Brabus Big Boy 1200 Motorhome leaves everything else in the dust. Under the hood lies a hand-built 6.5-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine pushing out an incredible 1,200 horsepower, making it the most powerful motorhome ever created. Coupled with an advanced Brabus ride control suspension system and an adaptive 10-speed performance transmission, it delivers a driving experience unlike any RV in existence. Despite its size, it accelerates with surprising urgency and glides effortlessly across highways and mountain passes alike. With cutting-edge driver assist features, including 360-degree cameras, AI-assisted parking, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities, maneuvering the Big Boy 1200 is as stress-free as driving a luxury SUV. Now, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Brabus Big Boy 1200 Motorhome is the pinnacle of luxury and performance, and its cost reflects its exclusivity. Starting at a staggering $1.8 million, it's designed for those who demand nothing less than the absolute best. This price includes bespoke customization options, unparalleled performance engineering, and Brabus's signature hand-built excellence. Owning this motorhome isn't just about travel. It's about owning a mobile palace with supercar power. To sum up, the 2026 Brabus Big Boy 1200 Motorhome is the ultimate fusion of brute force, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It brings together the performance of a hypercar, the comfort of a luxury residence, and the exclusivity of the Brabus brand. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or making a statement at the marina, this motorhome delivers prestige and thrill in every mile. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.